In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get thoughts out of your head and into Todoist quickly and efficiently. This process is all about capturing those fleeting ideas the moment they pop up, so you can focus on your current tasks without the worry of forgetting important to-dos. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll want to utilize is the Quick Add feature on Todoist. This is an incredibly handy tool that allows you to jot down tasks and details like due dates, projects, and priorities as soon as they come to mind. This feature is a game changer when it comes to decluttering your thoughts because it lets you capture ideas immediately without the need to stop and organize everything right away. This means you can maintain your focus on what you're currently doing without the stress of losing potentially important ideas. Now start by accessing your Todoist platform on whichever device you prefer, whether it's your phone, tablet or computer. Todoist is designed to be accessible anytime, anywhere, making it perfect for both on-the-go task management and planning from the comfort of your home or office. Once you are on the platform, locate the area dedicated to quickly inputting new tasks. This might be a small icon or button, depending on the interface of your device, but it's usually intuitive and easy to find. The goal is to ensure that when a task comes to mind, you know exactly where to go. As soon as a task pops into your head, don't overthink it. Simply write it down, capturing the core idea and any key details that could support remembering or executing it later. Think of this as a mental unloading process where accuracy in capturing what's important takes precedence over initial organization. While you're typing, remember to take advantage of Todoist's handy shortcuts. These shortcuts can save you time by quickly adding relevant information like due dates, projects to associate tasks with, labels that categorize them, and priorities to indicate urgency. For instance, typing P1 might set a high priority, or using @ could tag a specific project or person. Finally, after you've inputted your task description and all necessary details, simply press enter. This action swiftly adds the task to your Todoist list, ensuring it's secure and accessible whenever you need to come back to it. With this method, you'll foster a seamless transition from mere thought to actionable item, reducing mental clutter and increasing task efficiency. Embrace this process and you'll be mastering your to-do lists in no time, freeing up your mental bandwidth for the things that matter. Thanks for watching and happy tasking with Todoist.